Welcome to the Piping Engineering YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how to easily calculate the pipe length and elbow angles in a double-rolled pipeline. First of all, thank you to all our members and subscribers for your incredible support. If you want to support our educational mission, don't forget to subscribe or purchase one of our membership packages, linked in the description below. Okay, let's start today's lesson. To find the length of a pipe section between two elbows in a pipeline, we need to follow these steps. First, we will calculate overall length, center-to-center distance of the two elbows. Then we will calculate length of the elbows, takeoff dimensions. At last, subtract the takeoff lengths of the elbows from the total center-to-center distance. The formula can be expressed as pipe length equals overall length minus 2 times elbow length 2x caps for welding. We will perform all these operations on the 6-inch spool number 001 step by step. Let's mark the overall length or the center-to-center distance of elbows with L. During the double rolling of a pipeline, a right angle triangle is created with dashed lines. We will use this triangle to find the overall length. In the previous videos, we explained that the double rolling pipeline forms a right angle parallelogram. The horizontal side of the dashed line right angle triangle is the diagonal of the bottom side of the parallelogram. Let's first find the length of this bottom diagonal. Here, the 136 mm side is parallel to and equal in length to the opposite side. Now, this diagonal is also the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle with sides measuring 136 and 410 mm. To find this hypotenuse, we will use the Pythagorean theorem. Let's mark the hypotenuse with h. Then, as per the Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse h will equal the square of 136 plus the square of 410. Using a calculator, we calculate that the square of 136 will equal 18496. And the square of 410 will equal 168,100. So, we continue to calculate that h squared will equal 18,496 plus 168,100. Using the calculator, 18496 plus 168,100 will equal 186,596. So, we find that h squared will equals 186,596. Using a calculator, h will equal the square root of 186,596. It will equal approximately 432. So, we calculated and found that the horizontal side of the dashed line right angle triangle equals 432 mm. Now, we can start calculating the overall length, L. To find the overall length of this pipeline, we will use the Pythagorean theorem again. Then, as per the Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse, L, will equal the square of 432 plus the square of 449. Using a calculator, we calculate that the square of 432 will equal 186624. And the square of 449 will equal 201601. So, we continue to calculate that L squared will equal 186,624 plus 201601. Using the calculator again, we find that L squared equals 388,225. Using a calculator, L will equal the square root of 388,225, which is approximately 623. So, we calculated and found that the overall length or the center-to-center distance between the two elbows equals 623 mm. Let's calculate the elbow degree for these dimensions on this pipeline. To find the elbow degree, we will use the trigonometric function. So, if we denote this angle as x, then x degrees will be equal to the arctangent of 449 divided by 432. Using a scientific calculator again, the arctangent of 449 divided by 432 will equal approximately 46 degrees. So, we calculated and found that the cutting angle of these elbows is 46 degrees on the 6-inch pipeline. Now we should find the length of the 6-inch 46-degree elbow. We will use this formula to find the length of the elbow, which we have prepared and shared in many videos previously. I will also include the links to those videos in the description below. The elbow length will equal the tangent of elbow angle divided by 2 times 38.1 times the nominal pipe size NPS of the elbow. Now we will substitute our elbow angle and nominal pipe size information into this formula. So, our elbow length will equal the tangent of 46 divided by 2 multiplied 38.1 multiplied by 6. Using a scientific calculator, the tangent of 46 divided by 2 multiplied 38.1 multiplied by 6 will equal approximately 97 millimeters. So, we calculated and found that the length of the 6-inch 46-degree elbow is 97 millimeters in this pipeline. Also, from our other videos, we learned that during fit-up a small gap is required for welding. It should be approximately 3 to 4 millimeters. Now I will show you a small fragment in practice demonstrating how to set the fit-up gap for welding. Please watch it so you can get an idea of the gap in the fit-up. This gap is necessary for a good root weld. Now, we will substitute our overall length, elbow lengths, and welding gap information into this formula. Pipe length equal the overall length 623 minus 2 times the elbow length 97 and minus 2 times 3 for the caps for welding. Using a calculator, 623 minus 2 multiplied by 97 minus 2 multiplied by 3 will equals 423. So, we calculated and found that the length of this blue-colored pipe between the two elbows is 423 millimeters. By using this method, you can easily calculate the pipe lengths and elbow angles of pipe sections for your desired pipelines. This educational video ends here. Feel free to share your thoughts about the video in the comments section. By joining our channel, you can support us and enjoy exclusive features. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Special thanks to everyone who leaves a comment or a like. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.